Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Longshot app. First, download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, open it and create your new account. You can typically sign up using your email address or a social media account for quick access. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. This central hub provides quick access to all the app's core features and settings, making navigation straightforward and intuitive for new users. Now, let's dive into the core features. The search bar is your best friend for finding specific content or users. Just type in your query. To personalize your experience, head over to your profile settings where you can update information and adjust notifications. Don't forget to engage with the community. You can leave comments, like posts, and even share content with friends, fostering a more interactive and enjoyable experience within the app. Ready to take your Longshot experience to the next level? Try setting up custom notifications so you never miss important updates or new content from your favorite creators. You can also organize your saved items into personalized folders, making it easier to revisit content later. For precise content discovery, explore the advanced filters available. These tools help you narrow down searches and find exactly what you're looking for, saving you valuable time and effort. If you encounter any issues, first check your internet connection. Many problems are connectivity related. For persistent technical difficulties, don't hesitate to contact the app's support team. They are there to help. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your car smelling fresh. We hope this guide helps you master the Longshot app and enjoy all its features.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.